So let's now talk about trading the gaps. So most of the time the traders will fail to trade the opening gaps and opening gaps. Why? Because opening gaps is a overnight momentum, which is an emotion that the market express in a gapping direction. The gap has a power to reverse or reverse an existing trend or to even create a new trend in an opposite direction. So if the gaps is handled correctly, you can make a lot of money. If you missed it, it will wipe out into your masses. An opening gap which is where the price builds up and you get a lot of profit, but it is also a fake one that can trap you. The market consists of two of them, the trappers and the trapper. If you don't know who you are, then you are a trapper. So lot of them will address the gap in many ways, like breakaway gaps, exhaustion gap, runaway gap, that gap, this gap. They will say a lot of things. Our aim is to have a simple strategy and profitable with minimum loss and maximum profit. So we are going to see gaps trading in a two-way, in just a two-way. So the first way is to wait for the retracement back towards the support or a pullback back towards the support or resistance, depending upon the trading side. Let's say the trend is up and the gap is on the upside as well. If you wait for a pullback towards some significant level, towards some level, whether it even a pivot level or moving average or previous day close or previous day high, you can get a good chance to enter the trade again. Let's say here, let's say as you can see here, the gap has built up for several days, but if you wait, do not enter here, it comes a pullback, then it goes up. So you should wait for a pullback when you see this sort of pattern around it. The candle strength is not good and it also reversed and have a reversal candle in the moving average, then it goes up. So wait for the pullback to the near support or resistance zone. So sometimes there will be a there will be no occasion it there is no pullback. So how are you going to trade it? This is the second type of trade. The price continues to rise or fall depending upon the trend. So keep an eye on what market is doing. If the trend is up, the market breaks out of the previous candles in the 15 minutes or 10 minutes range and the momentum hold appears to be holding it. See, as you can see here, this is a gap up zones and the momentum is building up. You can see like a reversal candle out there. If you at least entered here, you will get a good profit of here till here. So spend time looking on the level which should be support